Women still want to be healthy and young when they reach middle age. If you want to know what my secret to staying young is, that's thanks to these popular foods.
Staying healthy and youthful well into middle age is a goal for many women. Curious about the secret behind Cathy Jacobs' youthful energy? At 60 years old, this model and fitness enthusiast looks decades younger, radiating vitality from the inside out. Known for advocating natural aging, Jacobs swears by her diet, which emphasizes foods that keep her skin glowing and body functioning optimally. While others may rely on pricey skincare or invasive treatments, Jacobs reveals that the key to aging gracefully lies in what's on your plate. In this video, we'll explore 5 essential foods that Jacobs credits for maintaining her youthful appearance. Before we dive in, don't forget to like and subscribe to Super Healthy. Your support means the world.
I did modeling when I was younger. I stopped and I had a family. I've been working on my skincare. I think a holistic lifestyle is making healthier choices. It's not about getting it right. It's about just doing what you can. About 3 years ago, my blood sugar was too high, so the doctor told me I had to cut out carbs and sugar. For my family, I said, you know what? I can't eat pasta and potato chips or low-fat ice cream like every day. I switched the way that I eat, and then all of my blood tests came back normal, and that sort of started it for me.
1. Fatty fish, the cornerstone of anti-aging. Jacobs consumes fish twice a week, focusing on omega-3 rich varieties like salmon, mackerel, and sardines. These fatty fish offer powerful benefits, as omega-3 fatty acids help retain moisture, restore the skin's lipid barrier, and prevent dryness. As skin ages, it loses hydration and elasticity, but omega-3s counteract these changes by reducing inflammation and promoting collagen production. Research shows that chronic inflammation accelerates aging, leading to wrinkles, joint pain, and immune decline. Eating fish supports smooth, youthful skin, protects against UV damage, and slows the appearance of fine lines. Jacobs enjoys fish in versatile dishes such as salmon salads, steamed fillets, or hearty soups, all of which retain essential nutrients. Beyond skin health, fish supports brain function and heart health, thanks to its wealth of vitamins like D, selenium, and iodine. These nutrients strengthen bones, regulate thyroid function, and enhance cognitive performance, helping to prevent conditions such as osteoporosis and memory loss as we age. 2. Leafy greens, nutrient powerhouses for longevity. Jacobs' anti-aging strategy also includes a heavy dose of leafy green vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli. Cutting back on carbs, sugar, and meat encourages her to embrace more vegetables, which have become central to her healthy lifestyle. These greens are loaded with essential vitamins like A, C, and K that rejuvenate skin. Vitamin A aids cell turnover, giving the skin a fresh, youthful glow. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, maintaining firmness and elasticity. Vitamin K improves elasticity and reduces fine lines. Additionally, antioxidants like lutein protect the skin from sun damage, making leafy greens a powerful ally against environmental aging. Jacobs often enjoys these greens in salads, smoothies, or side dishes, ensuring her body receives the fiber needed for digestion and gut health, which are crucial for clear skin and overall wellness. The nitrates found in leafy greens also promote cardiovascular health by improving blood flow and lowering blood pressure. Fiber further supports heart health by reducing cholesterol, while compounds like glucosinolates aid the body's detoxification processes, enhancing liver function and ridding the body of toxins. 3. Berries, nature's superfood for radiant skin. Instead of high-sugar fruits like bananas, Jacobs prioritizes antioxidant-rich berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries. These colorful fruits combat aging by neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that cause oxidative stress and accelerate wrinkles. Regular consumption of berries helps reduce fine lines and preserve collagen, the protein responsible for maintaining skin structure. Vitamin C found in berries promotes collagen synthesis, keeping skin firm and youthful. Ellagic acid, present in raspberries and blackberries, protects skin from UV damage, a key factor in premature aging. Beyond their skin benefits, berries also boost brain function. Flavonoids in berries have been shown to enhance memory, protect cognitive function, and reduce the risk of neurodegenerative diseases, such as Alzheimer's. Their cardiovascular benefits are equally impressive. Berries help lower cholesterol, improve blood vessel health, and reduce inflammation, all contributing to heart health. 4. Avocados, a moisture-rich skin savior. For Jacobs, avocados are a go-to food that nourishes her skin from the inside out. Packed with healthy monounsaturated fats, avocados help maintain the skin's moisture barrier, keeping it hydrated and plump. As we age, the skin naturally loses moisture, but regular consumption of avocados restores hydration, preventing fine lines and dryness. Jacobs enjoys avocados in various forms, on toast, in smoothies, or sliced into salads, appreciating their creamy texture and nutrient-dense profile. Rich in vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, avocados shield the skin from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, slowing the formation of wrinkles and age spots. These healthy fats also support cardiovascular wellness by lowering bad cholesterol and reducing inflammation, which are essential for brain and heart health. With such comprehensive benefits, it's no wonder Jacobs calls avocados one of her anti-aging secret weapons. 5. Tomatoes, protecting skin from the inside out. Tomatoes are another staple in Jacobs' diet, providing her with lycopene, a potent antioxidant known for its sun-protective properties. Lycopene, responsible for tomatoes' vibrant red hue, helps neutralize free radicals produced by UV exposure, shielding the skin from sun damage that causes wrinkles, age spots, and loss of elasticity. Jacobs enjoys tomatoes in various ways, from fresh salads to homemade sauces. Beyond their skin benefits, tomatoes contain compounds that support cardiovascular health by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation. Lycopene also enhances skin texture and slows the development of fine lines, helping Jacobs maintain her radiant complexion. Cathy Jacobs demonstrates that aging gracefully doesn't require expensive treatments, just the right foods. By incorporating nutrient-dense options like fatty fish, leafy greens, berries, avocados, and tomatoes into her daily diet, she supports her body from the inside out. These foods not only promote youthful skin but also protect brain function, heart health, and overall wellness. Adopting these dietary habits can unlock the same benefits, helping you age with grace and vitality, just like Jacobs. Stay tuned for more health tips, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Super Healthy.